The trailer for Venom will start in a few seconds. If you've ever been too scared to use invisible thread before, or it's broken on you in performance, then Venom is the answer. This is unequivocally the best thread system ever devised. It is double the price of its competitors, but that's because you get 2 times as many devices that you would normally. This dual system allows you to perform levitations like never before, without the fear of it breaking too easily. Whilst wearing Venom, I could karate chop my hand, I can move bottles across the table casually, I could probably even get into a fist fight without fear of the thread breaking. It gets the highest stamp of approval from all the staff here at Illusionist. This is Venom. Enjoy.